Back on the channel with Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, one of the cheapest 5G phones that you can buy and can be found with the price of just £249, but you can benefit of different promotions and you can buy it even cheaper, or to receive a gift like this Galaxy Buds. Well, at the moment only in the UK, and I don't know on different zones, because different zones come with different promotions and different gifts like this one, let's say. The phone just landed in stores on February and is coming in black, white, blue and violet shades. This model is coming in this blue color, and today we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna go through all the specifications that this new Galaxy A32 5G is coming with. Also, this model is coming with 4GB of RAM and 64 storage, but you can find it on other version with 4GB of RAM and 128 of storage, or even 6GB and 8GB of RAM and maximum 128GB of storage. And being said, let's unbox this device because it's all sealed at this moment, and let's find out what we have inside. Alright, that's it. Let's open it. Okay, what do we have here? Hopefully a case, but we do have some papers, a warranty card and a quick start guide. Alright, that's it. Also, we can see the smartphone on this blue color, which is looking quite nice. What else we got? We got this SIM pin to open the SIM tray, and we got the charger. We got an UK charger, and if you can see, we can charge this device up to 15 watts like it says on it. And also we got this USB Type-C cable, and pretty much that's it. So this is all you've got into the box with Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Alright, so this is the smartphone. I like the back actually, and let's peel this off and let's just listen a bit. And that's it. Wow, this is quite a really nice back. I like the position of the camera. They are not integrated in any square or other shape, so I like it to be this simple, and this really nice back. And this budget friendly A series model fits comfortable into the hand and comes with this nice plastic rear that features subtle, almost glowing finish. The rear camera, like I said, housing, it's extremely subtle too, adding a nice touch to the back of the phone, and are left quite free and not integrated into a square or any other shape. Even if it fits quite well into the hands, the weight of this device, it's 205 grams and 9.1 thickness. Also, if you can see on this right side, we got the power button and probably the fingerprint sensor. It's integrated into the power button. Also, we got the volumes up and down right here on the right side. On the top, not too much, probably a small sensor on the top. And also we got the SIM tray on the left, nothing else on the left side, and we got the support for jack audio, support for USB Type-C, and the speaker grill right here on the bottom. And let's have also a look on the SIM tray, see what do we have on this model. So it's actually a single SIM, no, it's a dual SIM, so you can put two SIM cards in the same time, or you can choose only one SIM card plus a micro SD card for extra storage, of course, on this Galaxy A32 5G model. And now, because I've been through all the settings, it's time to move on this smartphone and let's find out what do we have new. As you can see, we got a big screen And the front of the handset, it's covered almost completely by the Infinity V display, with the exception of the V-shaped notch from the front camera. The screen stretches from edge to edge to give a nice cinematic viewing experience. The bottom chin is not that small like the edge of the smartphone, but it doesn't bother that much. And one more time, I'm just gonna show this beautiful back, because it does look very interesting on this blue color, and you may have a better look also on the camera setup, which is looking actually very great on this device. The type of the display, it's an TFT with a size of 6.5 inches with 81.6 screen to body ratio, and the resolution it's HD plus 20:9 ratio and 270 ppi density. And even if it's an HD plus resolution on this display, and the TFT display, not AMOLED, not IPS, the colors on this display looks quite good, quite vivid, natural. And like I said, even if it's an HD plus, on YouTube now you got the possibility to go even further than 720p, to go on 1080p or even to 2160p, which is quite great. So you're gonna have a better quality on your device. And remaining here, we may test out the sound coming from this speaker, and let's just listen a bit. Quite loud on maximum, and on half quite decent, but on maximum it's quite loud, which is good at the end. Yeah, nice sound on this Galaxy 32 5G. And remaining on the display, let's find out what we have on the K menu. We got also an Android 11 One UI 3.0, and as you can see, it's a bit different on this K menu, but we got shortcut for devices, for media, and also for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, portrait, flight mode, also torch, mobile data, mobile hotspot, power saving, location, even link to Windows, screen recorder, smart view, nearby share, eye comfort shield, dark mode, also do not disturb. But also you got this plus here, so you can move, tap, hold and move. And you got access to NFC, so you can make payments with this device. You got access to music share, synchronization, live captions, quick share, secure Wi-Fi, focus mode, kids home, call on text on other devices, secure folder, scan QR code, and Dolby Atmos. But probably you're gonna need some earphone to benefit from that sound. So you got a lot of shortcuts on this model. Swiping up, it's quite basic, just a few apps installed. Of course, you got access to Google Play services, and also TikTok, it's integrated now. And also you got Samsung Free, which seems to be, I don't know, an app for the news, which is quite alright if you like to have news on your smartphone. Also you can benefit from news from Google if you swipe on the right side. So a lot of options. And let's move a bit on the main settings now. So a software update is available. So I have already an update for this model. So you got connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and contactless payments. Let's go back a bit. You got sounds and vibration notifications on the status bar. On notification pop-up style, you can have brief or detailed notifications. Alright, let's go back on the wallpaper, theme, home screen, lock screen. And on lock screen you can register your face and the fingerprint. I did register my face, and let's have a look now. Okay, it's alright, not the fastest, but yeah. And now let's test the fingerprint sensor. Okay, it's working good actually. Yeah, it's fast. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's go back from a lock screen. Yeah, like I said, the biometrics and security, you can register both face and the fingerprint, and you can add even more fingerprints for, let's say, right and left hand. And let's move from biometrics and security on advanced features. And here you got access to call and text on other devices, continue apps on other devices, link to Windows, Android, Auto. Well, we don't have at this moment. Side key, you can leave it for quick launch camera or open a specific app, so you can choose any app from your device. Let's go back a bit. One-handed mode, and let's have a look. Gesture or the button, and you can tap twice and you can control your device even more easier because you got a very big screen right here. But if you want to go back 2 times, and yeah, you are back on. Dual messenger, sign in to a second account. Digital well-being and parental controls. This is showing you how many minutes, hours you spend on different apps. Battery, this one, it's coming with a huge battery of 5000 milliampere and fast charging at 15 watts. Also, if you can see, we got an 18.2 gigabytes already taken from that 64 gigabytes that this model is coming. So you're gonna need extra storage with the help of micro SD card. Memory, we got 4 gigabytes of RAM, and that's it pretty much here. And software update, download and install, and this is the update security patch level 1st January 2021 with a size of 24.93 megabytes. And not last, look on this beautiful setup of cameras. So we got a setup of 4 cameras on the back plus the LED flash, if you can see right here. So we got the primary camera of 48 megapixel, we got a wide camera, also an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and another 2 megapixel deep camera. So you can record also 4K videos at 30 frames per second, full HD video at 30 or 120 frames per second. And because we are on the menu, let's let's make a photo. Alright, let's see on this box. Alright, and let's have a look. Okay, it's looking alright. Let's say just decent at this moment. Let's make another photo to these buds that we also receive for free with this model. Okay, and let's have a look. Alright, it's looking quite good actually. And let's go back again from photo, video and more. On here we got AR Doodle, Pro Mode, Panorama for the night, Macro, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse. And from more, let's go back on the video. And if you can see right here, you can choose Full HD 30 frames per second, Ultra HD 30 frames per second, and also on photo you can choose aspect ratio 48 megapixel if you want to choose high resolution. And let's make another photo. Okay, saving, and I didn't wait that much, so maybe blurry, but is not, and is looking quite good, I would say. So that's it with the camera. On the front we got a 13 megapixel and you can record full HD videos at 30 frames per second. And the last, which probably we're gonna see more in a further video, would be the performance. This one, it's coming with a chipset from MediaTek, Dimensity 720, a 5G chipset on a 7 nanometers. We got an octa core and the GPU, it's a Mali G57MC3. And talking about the performance, we're gonna do probably an Antutu benchmark test, followed by probably a game test on this model. So let me know what else would you like to see on this model, what would you like to test out, and probably what kind of games would you like to see. And what can I say? Thank you for watching this video. If so, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you soon with another interesting one.